What's up, guys? It's Mason from Bass TV. Today I'm out here on my pond and we're going to be doing some kayak fly fishing. My setup that I'm going to be using is a Orvis Clearwater 9-foot fly rod, and the way that I fish freshwater with a fly rod is a double setup. I have a popper that's on the top, and then I fish with this little nymph right at the bottom for bluegill and bass, and crappie. Pretty much everything will go after this, and this is like probably one of the best ways. There we go. Going into the weeds again. That's the bigger bluegill. Oh, pulling them out so quick. They all still got a little fight left. Fish number 5. Catching a lot of bluegill today. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There's a nice bluegill. I got him in the eye. Came up and he hit it, and I guess I got him in the eye. Wow. That's a nicer bluegill. Bigger than the other one. Alright guys, so kayak fishing didn't really work out, so I decided to go to a different pond and fly fish from land. Oh, there we go. There's a bass. First bass of the night. Oh, he's kind of small, or not kinda, he is small, you know, but it's whatever, you know. First bass. I'm sure I'll catch a big one. Whoa. Oh, there we go. That's a nice one. Ooh. Gotta let out a little line. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Oh, almost lost him there. That's a nicer fish. About to say about a pound. It's nice. Get this hook out. Sorry about that. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here on this bass. My camera's about to die, so this is a good way to end the night for the night that I've been having. Catch a lot of bluegill, that little bass. So until then, guys, like, share, and subscribe.